Morning, everyone. I am having camera issues this morning again, so just might not have camera today. It really bothers me because I've hardly used this camera. It's not like I've dropped it or anything like that. It's like there's a short in the cord. And it looks like we're going to be taking a long trade here. Okay, we're in. Oh, we don't want to see that. Just use my normal camera built in my laptop for now. Gosh, it's so annoying. I hate that. Gosh, unless we can get this. Okay, now it works. Gracious, dude, this camera, man. Here we go. Keep going. Keep going. Get it, get it, get it, get it. There we go. Nice. Okay, moved our stop loss on our runner to break even. We will let this run. Hopefully it keeps going. If not, it's okay. But we'll keep this running until this starts bending down. Something that I need to do is figure out how on Trade Locker how to make it so just my take profit only sells half. That way I don't have to have two separate trades going. That would be nice. Okay, looks like our runner's probably gonna get stopped out here. Oh, maybe not. And of course my camera broke again. Crap's sake. Gosh, it's so annoying. Yeah, our runner's still going. Oh, no. There it goes. Okay, let's see. Close positions. That's funny. Okay, so we're up. Oh my gosh. This freaking camera. Gosh. Why does it keep freezing like this? All right. We're gonna just take it off. Seriously, I just don't understand. Like how there could possibly be short in the cord. There's nothing I've done to it. Alright, so while I'm trying to figure out my stupid webcam, so we are just basically waiting for this to pop back down and go back up, and then we'll look at going long again. It's like working for now. Jeez. So I've been doing a lot of back testing with kind of tweaking things around a little bit based around this strategy, and based off of that I've made some trades that have kind of deviated from kind of the original set of rules, and I've drawn my account down a whole bunch. This one used to be up almost 7%, and now it's down a little over 6%. So I really just need to stick to my original rules, which means I don't think I really need these this awesome oscillator indicator. I'm sure I could build a strategy just around this, but I just don't think I need it for this. So yeah, I think we're just gonna, and I don't need the 200 moving average on our 1 minute chart either. So I'll just go ahead and save this chart. Drink today is citrus flavored Ghost, which is actually so good. I think Ghost just came out with a new flavor called, it's like grape, Welch's grape, and it tastes just like Welch's grape juice. Like, just like it. Slightly carbonated, though. I'm usually not a grape soda fan, but this wasn't bad. It was so good. Oh, man. Mornings. So glad I don't live on the West Coast. That time zone be absolute murder. The previous job, I worked 6. I had to wake up at 6 a.m. every morning and then commute. It was awful. Not a morning person. Getting up in time for this 7:30 New York Open is rough enough for me, but 6:30, no sir. Okay, we're starting to get some wiggles here. I should probably get some kind of disclosure that I show up every time I make a video or go live that, like, this is not financial advice. I am not responsible for your bad financial decisions. Well, since we have a minute, I want to look at what the NASDAQ did. And because we've been playing around with the 7:30 trade on the NASDAQ. So let's go back. 7:30. Alright, go forward 1 minute. Okay, we wouldn't have. Well, I mean, yeah, we wouldn't have done anything. Not the setup that I specifically was looking for wasn't there, so I wouldn't have done anything there. But it would have been a long trade, and it would have won. I really like the idea of trading the NASDAQ as well. And I've had a lot of success back testing the NASDAQ. The tough thing with the NASDAQ, though, is that to have the same position size as I would on gold, where like the size of the trade and the lot size and whatnot, in order for it to be equivalent, I'd have to, like, I can make twice as big as trades on gold than I am able to on NASDAQ, because the margin requirement is a lot higher on the NASDAQ. In fact, with my trades, I'm only using, let's see, 80%. Okay, it's still a lot, but half the size that I need is using about the same. So yeah, I basically need double the margin requirement. So something we'll play around with in the future, because I really do want to trade both gold and the NASDAQ at the same time, because I think that would just make us more money overall. Who knows, maybe I could just trade with just half the position size I normally would and just be okay with that. Oh, that's funny. Okay, we're betting back up, but we want a bigger pullback before we get in. I mean, there hasn't really been any kind of pullback except for when we got stopped out of our runner, which was right here-ish. But yeah, we're just kind of moving. Actually follows a trend quite nicely. So personally, I like to so I don't really use trend lines to figure out like positions that I'm going to take. So my strategy is 100% based off of indicators, but I still do like to draw them. Just going to be aware of what's going on. But when I'm drawing trend lines, I do try to draw the line that's going through as many of the wicks or the tails of the candles as possible, as close as the body as possible, without going through any of the bodies. And that's how I prefer to draw my lines. So I can actually go a little bit lower, right there, and that works. And this is our 5-minute chart right here. 4 hour, 5 minute, 1 minute. So our 4 hours just determining which direction we're going to be taking trades. And today we're only looking at going long. Yeah, so if I were to draw a trend line on my 1 minute chart, as close to the body as possible, through as many of the wicks as possible. Yeah, right there. It's always funny too. So every time I stream, so I've been streaming most days, but the days I don't stream are the really good days. Basically, you guys just get to see me lose. Thanks a lot. Okay. Alright, so we are pretty much maxed out again on our trend intensity index on our 1 minute. Oh, okay. And we're starting to wiggle down again. So ideally, we go down below our 80 level and then break it back above. All while this stays maxed out up here. And then obviously over here as well. Oh my gosh. There's a YouTube or Facebook page or an Instagram account called John Breaks Bad News. It's hilarious. I just saw a clip. Okay, we are looking for this to bounce back up. And we'll hop back in. And hopefully by the time we get our signal to get back in, we still have enough room here to either where we can hit our take profit before below this level, or it's broken above it significantly to where you know, it's a breakthrough and it just keeps going. Best situation is that we hit our take profit before that level and then it breaks through. That's our runner run. We might actually get below our 20 level here, which indicates a really good pullback. As long as this stays up here. Pretty good looking setup. Okay, we've broken below the 20 level. Oh. There's probably some news. Probably should have checked that. Okay, we're breaking back above. We're still maxed out up here, so we are probably going to be going long here. Spreads are spreading out a little. Oh yeah. Holy cow. Yeah, this is why I need to figure out how to just have one position. Yeah, so our take profit is where our entry is on our runner. Come on, get up there. Which, okay, I don't love this situation. Okay, we're good. Alright. Probably gonna get stopped out though, because we didn't get a good entry on her. Oh, there we go. Because we didn't get a good entry on our runner. Okay, yeah, we got stopped out already. Hey, which means we might actually get to double dip here if we get back above here. Oh, yeah, I really need to figure that out because that wasn't a good situation. And that's not something you can backtest for either. Today really the 4th? Yeah, there was a red folder event at 8 o'clock. Okay, we're gonna hop in again. There we go. It's a little bit tighter. Okay, so just based off of some technical analysis here, We are bouncing off of this level, which isn't ideal for our trade, but there's no reason why it couldn't come back up here and retest. And we broke above it on our 1 minute. And, yeah, went back down under. I guess I should show you what I'm pointing at. Or showing you. Did my camera go away again? Oh, no. I just turned it off. Oh. Oh, hey, we actually hit our take profit. I need to pay attention. And our runner should be stopped out, but I didn't stop it out, so we need to let it move back up, and then we'll... Oh, see, this isn't good. Come on, keep going a little more. We need this to break above our entry. Oh, okay. That was not a situation I wanted to be in. But hey, our runner's running now. It would have gotten stopped out. It's going to get stopped out. Okay, got stopped out. Whew. Alright. That was quite worrisome. See, again, this is just why I need to actually do some research and figure out how to do this trade with just one leg that sells half at my take profit. Heck, it'd even be better if I could automate it to where it would automatically move my stop loss at the break even. I've been putting it 10 ticks above, just that way it pays for the commission at least, at the very least. Ooh, okay. Feeling good about today though, so far. I kind of want to set this up so you can see my total PL, but you can only see my total PL when I have my closed positions tabs open, where you can see my balance, profit and loss, and equity all on all my tabs. Man, these fees are actually killer. $7 per lot. That is not ideal, but the upside is you should have tighter spreads. So we are up 1.2% today. So that's good. Let's see if I can figure it out. I'll do it later, because then I have to do it all three of my screens. But yeah, so we've taken a few trades. So went long here, sold it higher, went long here, sold it higher. So a couple good trades today. And then kind of going back, so it is okay to adjust trend lines. We'll put that right there. Okay, so we've been getting a good amount of testing of this level. I imagine traders are looking for a breakthrough. Alright, this generic epic music is not it right now. Alright, yeah, this isn't it either. Let's see. Let's try this. Sure. We'll listen to some 8-bit. He's making sure my camera didn't break again. Oh. Here's quite the crazy headline from Not the Bee. El Salvador to accept deportees from U.S. of any nationality offers to outsource prison system. Gosh. El Salvador used to have a really bad crime problem. And then they just decided they're going to lock up everyone who commits crimes. Just keep them there. And yeah, it fixed the crime problem. Let's see. Oh, hey, that's interesting. Look at that. Didn't even see that. Are we making high highs here? Highest highs? Let's look at our 4-hour chart. Yeah, we are looking at highest highs. Cool. Yeah, this trend line is acting pretty strong here. Strong resistance. Wow. The delay between live and the stream is like 2 minutes. Holy cow. Okay, breaking under our 20 level on our 1 minute chart. Could look at going for another long position here. Okay, we're starting to move back up. And yeah, if this is bending up at the close, we'll go ahead and go long again. We should have plenty of room between here and our line, so if we're retesting, that'll be good. $20 seconds. Well, we might not have a lot of room actually. Well, we'll find out. Indicators be indicating. All right, we're in. I think we got a pretty good entry here. Yeah. So basically, we're just asking it to get up to where it's been. Why is this so... There we go. That looks a lot better. Why was that so wonky? Yeah, we're just asking it to get up to where it's been. retest our resistance, and I think this should be a good trade. Everything about it looks pretty good. I should not have said that. I just jinxed myself. Here we go. Keep going. Keep going. Just need to break above this little area right here. That's worth drawing out. Yeah, probably going to be some resistance. Well, there is some resistance right here too that we would need to break through. If you could see what I was... Yeah, just do this yellow line right here. A little bit of resistance there. Okay, this is still moving up strong. This is still holding. Ugh, jeez, I keep forgetting. This is still going up strong. This is still holding. I'm just gonna leave that up. Okay, just break through this, and then I think we're there. Oh, here we go. A little further. Let's retest our highs. Just a little further. Come on. Get it? Oh. Okay. Come on. Come on. Here we go. A little more. A little more. Get it. Get up there. There wasn't any more news. I don't. This is really good too. So we're breaking back above the 80. So got some daggers. We took a trade here. That was good. Got another dagger here. Were there some trades? No. Come on, get up there. Just a little further. Come on. Oh, there you go. There we go. Okay, we got our stop loss moved up. Alright, let's see if this breakout... Well, let's see if this can break out. So we've locked up our profit for this trade, and we're just going for some candy. Now keep both these up. Okay, we're gonna move this yellow line down on our chart here to represent our entry, which is 43.18. Right there. So this is our entry. So anything above that It's good, but obviously you can see that on our trading view chart. So that officially puts us up for the day. Our P&L, we're up almost 1.6%. And I think we got stopped out here. Not quite. Ooh. I really want to get a good runner because I think there's a lot of potential here for a strong breakout to the upside. At the very least, hopefully, I think we can follow this channel up, but we need to get enough distance from our entry to where we're not going to get stopped out over tiny bits of movement. It is actually pretty common. This is just based off my back testing where we get stopped out on a runner and then it just goes exactly where we would have wanted it to. But hey, we're protecting our profits, and that's just the trade plan. Here we go. Here we go. This could be the breakout we're looking for. Maybe. So I try not to put too much stock into technical analysis on 1 minute charts, but if this is a breakout and if this is a retest, if we stay above this, then that's good. What we're really looking for is a strong breakout on our 5 minute chart. And obviously our 4 hours looking very bullish still. Okay, this is actually good. I don't know what. Oh, I was gonna say. I was like, I don't know why it's a red candle, but whatever. No. Okay, hopefully we've gotten enough distance from our entry where this pullback doesn't stop us before going back up. I would very much rather close this one out for some extra profit than, okay, we'll just get stopped out. Okay, that's all right. So up 1.6% for the day. Darn, I really wanted that one to stick. But yeah, watch. It's gonna continue this trend and go to the moon. And that is why we bring our stop loss to break even. Yeah, that would have hit our normal stop loss. Holy cow. What happened? Okay, yeah, so now we are actually bending down here. So I think it's probably unlikely that we get any more looks today, which I'm okay with. I'm okay with over 1.5%. I mean, this pullback, kind of to be expected. Let's see, right there. Breaks through a possible channel that other traders are drawing on their charts. In fact, this is probably about where a lot of traders, well, right, yeah, I liked it where it was, probably about right here's where, so this would be a breakthrough. So if I were really analyzing this, I'd be thinking breakthrough, probably going to come back to retest, and at that point I'd be looking for it to go make another move down. Yeah, if I wanted to force a trade to the downside, that's what I'd be looking for. Well, I'm glad we closed our trade out here. able to trade out here before it went down. Just moving our stop loss to break even. Alright, let's see. What could this be looking to bounce off of? Right here, maybe? See if it reacts to that with any significance. I'd be surprised if it didn't, honestly. See, this is this is why I don't actually take trades based off of my technical analysis and levels and channels and whatnot, because I don't know, it's just too subjective. Next level of support would be down here, unless we're looking at our 50 moving averages as a level of support, which it could be. Could be another level right here. Actually, that one probably makes a little bit more sense. Yeah, still gonna get some reaction here though, I would think. I'm guessing that's probably where some Fibonacci levels are. But yeah, this is why I don't do trades based off of levels, because I would have guessed we bounce off this, retest this, and make an. I mean, it still could, but I would have predicted and been looking for bounce off this, retested this, break through, go down to this level. Which it just so happens is also where our 50 moving average is, so and it could be that it just breaks through, ignores this level, because I don't think this one's super significant. Really, this is the only thing that's there. Oh my gosh, you're not even seeing what I'm doing all of this technical analysis, and you can't even see what I'm doing. Okay, I'll go over it again. Okay. Be looking for. I would have been looking for a bounce off of this, retest this, back through, and then down to this level, which I think this is a stronger level right here than this one, and our 50 moving averages right here as well. See, if we actually move that down closer to the bodies of these candles, this actually makes a lot of sense. I could be right. It's doing it. It's doing exactly what I said it would. Oh, great. Now I have the hiccups. This is the worst. And if we wanted to go even more crazy, So rejection off this level. So go back up and then looking to retest. It probably breaks through this time and probably wants to make its way down here. That is if we actually break through. Could get stuck here. I mean, your guess is as good as mine. Like I said, I'm not comfortable taking trades based off of this kind of technical analysis because I don't think I would be profitable. Yeah, it just really depends on how this candle closes, because it could really go either way right at the moment. If I were making trades based off of technical analysis, I think this particular candle would be very important for me to determine kind of what I was looking for. So we are making our way back up, but this is now going completely down, and we're not gonna go against that. We're not gonna take trades. We're not gonna go short right now either, because this is still very bullish. We're making new highs. I don't think it's a great idea to go short on a day when you've been making new highs all morning. Yeah, and you know what? And just kind of base off of that. So this looks like it's going to close around here. Yeah, getting a bit of a bull flag pattern here. So this will probably actually make its way back up, and at some point push for new highs. But not in time for our indicators to give us some more signals. I mean, if I were feeling spunky, maybe I would look at taking a really small lot size and putting a stop loss maybe right here, and then go for a 2-to-1 risk reward maybe. But yeah, look at this 4 hour. That is, I mean, we are at the top of this channel too, so we very well could just make our way down, hit the bottom of this channel or around this 50 moving average before moving back up. So who knows, man? Who knows? Well, we're not getting any more trade signals today before our 9 o'clock stop, so I'm gonna go ahead and call it quits. Thanks for watching. And just to recap what happened. So I think, let's see, what do we do? Take 3, took 2 trades today? 2? No, we took 3. So 1 here, 1 here, 1 here, all along. All of them hit our level, and then our runners got stopped. So that's good for over 1.5% return today. So thanks for watching. We'll see you tomorrow.